How's it going? Kaikane here once again. Today's topic is know when it's game over for teaching ESL English lessons abroad. As with all good things, fellas, they must eventually come to an end, and teaching is a career that definitely falls into that category. Teaching is basically, and I'm being pretty straight up, a dead-end job. You can only progress and get so far with English teaching abroad, ESL, or anywhere for that matter. However, as long as you keep it your job real and fun, it will be real and fun. Not to mention you will make loads of money during the process. But know this. The purpose of my book, How to Get Rich Teaching English, my videos, and of Teaching English Abroad is to simply inform you and your intelligent brain on how to get rich quick by teaching English, and by also doing a job that is fun while living overseas in a cool place, and by having a cool profession which offers more than just a lot of money. Is far better than being stuck in that boring job you have been at for who knows how long with that near empty bank account. It is easier than you think, and is one of the easiest and most amazing jobs out there. That pays the best, especially for a job that allows you to sit, be your own boss, chit chat, and do some extra teaching outside of the classroom and in their bedrooms when needed or called upon. Only if you want to, of course, ladies and gents. Just make sure that you get rich and save your money in the process rather than getting rich and spending all of your money, sadly, like many men and women around the world who do teach English abroad. As I said before, get your amount of money that you desire, hope or aim for, cash out, and move on to the next bigger and better thing if you'd like. Or, if you're like me and can manage to have crazy fun and make crazy loads of cash while enjoying your job even after 18 years, then by all means do so. Teach your heart out, have fun, tap out, and cash out. That's it for today. Be sure to check out my website, getrichtechingenglish.com, and get my book if you haven't. Furthermore, if you have any in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, the best places on where to move to teach English overseas, learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website. I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out in your journey. Have a great day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. There are thousands to be put up, so stay tuned. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.